Doing it, my bra. About to do the Mauso challenge. It's Bulla Lad. How's it going on? Fucking shout out to all the boys doing the Mauso challenge, eh? Big respect and much love, eh? Down from the southwest, 68 Brotherhood. KVT 679. I love you. Bulla Vinaka Talofa Kiora Malo Lele. It's the Adelaide way from back in the day. It says that was the motto, came for a lover. On my tongue and it's get up in Tavovo. Yo, it's Bulla Lad. Yeah, yo, my uso. Yeah, yo, my toko. KVT on the rise up. Yeah, yo, my tazingu. That means my brother. Never above ya, never below ya. Always beside ya. So let's drink to that. It's the poly movement, janging on them tracks. Together we are strong. Divided we fall. So put the pride aside and let us all stand tall. Always down for my brother, that matter the call. Always around for my uso. Yo, my toko. Yo, my tangane from the get-go. When I feel your pain, you can feel mine too. That's the brotherhood love that we got into. And all the brothers doing time, I haven't forgot you. Big love from Bulla Lad, yeah, my brothers Bisotia. And the brothers we lost, may they rest in peace. For God has gained another angel, he shall keep our hearts at ease. Forever young, we stay staunch. It's time for my brothers to rise up. It's the Ma Uso challenge on a launch. Shout out to Poly Rappers, West Sit Lad, and Ma Uso challenge, and the Poly movement. It's your boy Bulla Lad, KVT 679, straight from the dirty southwest, 68 Brotherhood. First time doing this kind of thing, you know what I mean? So I hope you guys liked it, eh? Cheers. Fucking nice.